Parang totoong Tocino. Pwedeng hindi mo sabihin sa akin na I'm eating plant-based and I wouldn't think at all na I'm eating plant-based. So I'm gonna rate this one.
I know you go like you know me. Let's run away together, go and live by the sea. Yeah, I know a place and it's pretty far away where we could live.
Hey guys, it's me, Christine, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a food vlog and it's a different kind of food vlog kasi we are going plant-based today. Maniniwala ba kayo na itong burger na to and itong barbecue na to are plant-based? This one is really sikat. Beyond Meat is sikat globally. And other plant-based food like Tapa, Tocino, and later, papakita ko pa sa inyo yung iba. So please stick around. I'm here today sa Beef's Restaurant in Angeles City, Pampanga. Just last year, they started offering plant-based meals. It's because of the growing number of people na nagsiswitch to plant-based meals. Well, ako personally, I'm not gonna say na I'm a vegan and I'm not gonna tell everyone around me to, hey, be a vegan, kasi I know that's really a big commitment, no? Pag sinabi mo na vegan ka, it's a lifestyle. Everything, not just food, but pati yung skincare mo, cosmetics mo, lahat. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to encourage everyone to lessen lang your meat consumption if you can't go fully vegan. Number one, it's for your health. Number two, it's sustainability. So sobrang daming tao ngayon sa earth. I don't think there would be enough livestock and even fishes in the ocean, diba, for all of us to consume. Some are just hesitant to try it kasi nandyan yung notion na, oh, that's expensive. But later on, I'm going to show you the price nitong mga kakainin natin today. And these are cooked ones, but you could also get frozen ones from them. It's not my first time to try plant-based meals, but it would be my first time to try plant-based na barbecue, sisig, tocino, tapa, and luncheon meat. First ko sigurong itatry itong Beyond Meat na burger. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, sikat siya globally. Kaya siya sikat kasi very close to real beef daw yung smell niya, texture, and taste. Well, smell-wise, amoy siyang burger and texture-wise, mukha siyang juicy. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, ito yung close-up niya. Itsura-wise, di ba? Mukha siyang totoong beef. I was told pa na same lang daw yung amount ng protein na makukuha mo sa real beef and sa mga ganito. And calories-wise naman, about similar sila. But no cholesterol. So that's the good thing about this. To be honest, if hindi ko alam na plant-based siya, hindi ko maiisip na I'm not eating real beef. Ganun siya. About similar. I'm not saying equally sila. But this one is about similar. Siguro kung i-rate ko siya, 8.5/10 siya. Yung sa pagiging close niya sa real beef. Now let's try sisig. Ganito lang ba to or dapat may sausawan? Ganito lang siya talaga. Itong sisig naman nila, guys, ang ginamit nila dito is Omnipork. So, meron tong ground pork and tofu. But of course, the ground pork is plant-based. Smell natin siya. Smell-wise, it smells like pork din. Taste naman. In fairness, masarap siya kahit walang, walang toyo. Pero wala kang makikita ang sauce niya or toyo or mayonnaise, wala. Kasi other tofu sisig, merong mayonnaise, diba? But masarap siya. Kung i-rate ko naman siguro to, 8/10. Anong sauce tong chicken nuggets? Ranch sauce. Oh my God, ang sarap ng sauce. I don't know, but para kang kumakain ng chicken nuggets na may konting-konting croquette sa loob. Parang may lasa siyang potato. Ito siya sa loob. So, yan. Siksik siya and it's really not dry. Grabe, nakailan na ako nuggets? 3. So, kung i-rate ko naman yung chicken nuggets, guys, for me, not OA, it's 11/10. Because I really like it. It's better than real chicken nuggets. So, this one is the plant-based na pork barbecue. Ang ginamit dito is Good Choices. It's a local brand ng mga plant-based. Smell-wise, it smells like a real barbecue. Texture-wise, ito, nakikita nyo ba? Parang totoong barbecue din naman siya, diba? Kung titingnan mo nga siya, para siyang yung barbecue na walang taba. So, let's eat. Kapag ninunguya mo siya, it's so soft, doon mo lang malalaman, okay, I'm not eating meat. But the taste is good. Kung i-rate ko to, 9/10. Mas gusto ko pa nga siya sa real barbecue kasi it tastes like real barbecue, pero wala siyang yung taba-taba. Kasi sometimes, diba, ang lungkot kumain ng barbecue, tapos puro taba yung nasa stick. So, this one is 9/10 for me. By the way, guys, this one is gluten-free pala siya. Para sa mga naghahanap ng gluten-free na food, beyond meat na burger is gluten-free. It's their plant-based version of Tocino. So, meron silang plant-based Tocino, and instead of adding scrambled eggs, meron silang scrambled tofu. Ito yung scrambled tofu. Meron pa siyang chops ng onions. Okay siya. Okay pala yung scrambled tofu. Although, don't be mistaken, of course, it's not gonna taste like real scrambled eggs. It still tastes like tofu. But it's a good replacement para dun sa mga vegan talaga. Kasi others still eat eggs. Yun yung mga lacto-ovo vegetarian, diba? But para dun sa mga ayaw na talaga mag-dairy, this one is a good replacement. Itsura-wise, guys, it looks like a real Tocino. Even smell-wise. Tapos, it also tastes like real Tocino. Ngayon ginunguya ko siya, para akong umunguya talaga ng meat. Unlike nung chinuchu ko yung barbecue. Parang totoong Tocino. Pwedeng hindi mo sabihin sa akin na I'm eating plant-based, and I wouldn't think at all na I'm eating plant-based. So, I'm gonna rate this one 9.5/10. Ito yung version nila ng Spam. Ito siya up close. Again, if you don't know that it's plant-based, mukha lang siyang pinritong normal na luncheon meat. Texture-wise din. Smell-wise, hindi masyado. Taste-wise, let's... Ang paborito ng lahat na almusal, Tapa. Lahat ng almusal, guys, Tocino, luncheon meat, and itong Tapa are all from the good choices. It looks like real Tapa. Smell-wise, it smells like real Tapa as well. Taste-wise, let's see. Wait lang. Dapat yata hindi ko lagyan ng sausawan para mas malasahan ko siya talaga. Actually, masarap siya kahit walang sausawan. Para din siyang totoong Tapa, except pag nag-chuchu, parang hindi siya ganun kalaman. So, doon mo lang malalaman na, okay, parang hindi talaga karne yung kinakain ko. So, I'm gonna rate this one probably 8.8/10. Aside from plant-based meals and plant-based na frozen goods, meron din silang other plant-based stuff to complete your pantry. Of course, if you wanna go vegan or if you just want to choose a healthier lifestyle, kahit na hindi ka naman full-fledged na vegan. They have veganese, vegan mayo, or vegan mayonnaise. Gawa siya sa soya milk, sunflower oil, stevia, and sea salt. Butter replacement. Ako, to be honest, I can't imagine myself saying goodbye to dairy because of butter and cheese. So, this one is a butter replacement. So, it comes in a tub ng size na to or a 1 kilo na tub. They call it, Nutelex or Nutelex. I-correct nyo na lang ako sa comment section. Soy sauce, it's coconut or coconut na kapalit pala ng toyo kasi hindi siya soy sauce talaga. It's non-soy and it's USDA organic. 8-in-1 brown rice. Ito, replacement siya sa vetchin kasi vetchin daw yata merong pork. So, ito yung vetchin replacement, guys. And ito namang nutritional yeast, yung cheese replacement. Kung magpapasta ka, ito yung itatop mo sa pasta instead of real cheese. Peanut butter replacement. Bagoong replacement, meron din. And ito naman, bacon bits. So, I think they also have plant-based patis, but naubusan sila. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope in a way na encourage ko kayo to try plant-based meals. Again, not to change naman your lifestyle entirely, but to at least lessen your meat consumption. I'm gonna end this vlog by sharing an information na 90 times more carbon footprint ng mga livestock kapag nagpo-produce ng meat. Yung time na inaalagaan yung livestock, hanggang sa kakatayo na siya, and then all the process, 90% more yung carbon footprint niya than kakain na lang tayo ng plant-based. So it's all about a healthier lifestyle, sustainability, and letting our planet heal bawasan natin yung carbon footprint natin. Visit TGI Green Foods, or thank goodness it's Green Food sa Facebook and Instagram, so you guys could know more about plant-based food, plant-based meals.